Hi friends! Today we will learn what are abbreviations. So let's start. In short, abbreviations are shortened forms of words. Like road can be written in short form as RD. Doctor can be written as DR. Monday can be written as MON. Tuesday can be written as TUE. Wednesday can be written as WED, and so on. Now let's see some examples of abbreviations for the names of institutions, businesses, places, degrees, and designations, etc. Masters of Art in Teaching is known as MAT. Associate of Arts is abbreviated as AA. Applied Information Technology is abbreviated as AIT. Bachelor of Library Science is abbreviated as BLIS. Bachelor of Medicine is abbreviated as BM. Bachelor of Arts is abbreviated as BA. Bachelor of Computer Applications is abbreviated as BCA. Bachelor of Communications is abbreviated as BCom. Now here are some abbreviations for reputed institutions in the world. United Nations, UN. Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. International Atomic Energy Authority, IAEA. International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO. International Labor Organization, ILO. International Seabed Authority, ISA. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. Now let's learn some examples on abbreviating time. I have my swimming classes at 5 p.m. daily. I go to school at 9 a.m. What does AM and PM stand for? PM stands for post-meridium, which means after midday. And AM is ante-meridium, means before midday. So, when you are saying 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 8 a.m., or 9 a.m., you are actually abbreviating time. Now let's see some examples of abbreviations for days and months. We write Monday as MON, Tuesday as TUE, Wednesday as WED, and so on. Likewise, we abbreviate the names of months also. APR for April, FEB for February, JAN for January, and so on. Now let's learn some examples of abbreviations for titles. Mr. is written as MR with a period after it. Mrs. is written as MRS with a period after it. Likewise, we have an abbreviation for Miss as MS, Doctor, DR, Professor, PROF, Colonel, COL, Lieutenant, LT, and there is always a capital letter at the first place. If we have to write Dr. Jones Carey, we will write it as DR with a period after it, and then write Jones Carey with the first letter of each word capitalized. If we have to write Amy D'Souza, we will write MRS with M capital and a period after it, and then write Amy D'Souza with the first letter of each word capitalized. Now, let's have a look at some words related to abbreviations. Acronyms. Acronyms are words that are formed by taking first letter of each word, like laser. Laser is not a word in itself. It's made from the first letters taken from light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization. We have formed one word for it, NATO. NATO, the first letter of each word of the full form. UNICEF is formed by taking the first letter of each word from the following full form. The United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Scuba is made from taking the first letter of each other from self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. So acronyms are words that are formed by taking the first letter of each word. Next term that we have is initialism. What is initialism? Initialism is also called alphabetism, and it is a group of letters where each letter is pronounced differently. Like BBC is the abbreviation for British Broadcasting Corporation, and this way of forming the abbreviations is called initialism. Member of Parliament, MP. United Nations, UN. Traded Union Congress, TUC. United Kingdom, UK. Compact disc, CD. Here you speak each letter separately, and it's called initialism. When you are forming the plural of initialism, you do not need to use an apostrophe. For example, I have got many music CDs in my collection. Here, CDs is the plural of CD, but no apostrophe is used here. The MPs voted unanimously. Here, MPs is a plural of MP, but no apostrophe is used. Next term we have is truncation. Truncation is also a way of forming abbreviations. In this method of forming abbreviations, we only take the first part of the word. These are most often when we are referring to proper titles, such as months of the year, days of the week, etc. Like Monday is written as MON, that is the first part of the word. Tuesday is written as TUE, that is the first part of the word Tuesday. Friday is written as FRI, that is the first part of the word Friday. April is written as APR. January is written as JAN. So this type of forming abbreviations is called truncation. So, we have learned a lot about abbreviations. Now, here is a tricky rule to remember. Sometimes we use periods between the letters of abbreviation, and sometimes we don't. Like here, we have two ways of writing US. One without period and one with period. Both are correct. We just need consistency while using abbreviations. That is, in a sentence. If you are using one abbreviation with period, then you must use other abbreviation with period too. Or, if you are using one abbreviation without period, then you must use the other abbreviation without period too. For example, both US and UK are developed countries. This is a wrong way of writing because UK is not written with a period and US is written with period. So, we need to be consistent. We can either like this or this. That is, in one sentence, we haven't used periods with both the abbreviations, and in the other we have used periods with both the abbreviations. Both are correct. In general, it is preferable not to use period in uppercase abbreviations, but we can use them in lowercase abbreviations. Examples of lowercase abbreviations are AM, PM, IE, and EG. In each lowercase abbreviations, we must use abbreviations, but avoid them in uppercase abbreviations. Here is one more rule. In sentences where you have used an abbreviation in the end, do not use a period in the end. So kids, today we have learned a lot about abbreviations. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye! Tutway has thousands of animated videos on math, English, and science to clear the core basics of these subjects.